Coming up from the abyss, go try and handle this. I'll make you rage harder than a hit mark or miss. I keep it 100 for episode 100. Always get the final kill when I'm shooting you at the buzzer. I'm a beast on the mic, but Ben edits the standard. You could be a coward while I'm prestigious like I'm Harvard. I'm the enemy at the gate, you swerving and I'm straight. I tell it how it is and you waiting for me to narrate. I paid the way to 60K, I woke up to a brand new day. Whoever thought that DC would collaborate with Dre? I incinerate the drama with the fire that I'm spitting. I do this for my fans and they don't wanna see me quitting. I'm tired of dealing with the false accusations. I didn't know that hating was a career occupation. I cut you with my blade and I ain't talking about a fade. All them haters mad cause I'm cooler than the shade. To Pablo, I see him as an inspiration. DC paid his way through a college level education. Snipernator got the target locked for those that talk a lot. I hope you heed the warning just prior to the sniper shot. I'm hitting quads and I ain't talking about your body part. I got the M60 spraying to the point you're torn apart. I want you to absorb the fear I'm trying to withstand. You won't make it to round 2 after seeing the game winning kill. Jack gives me the thumbs up.